Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but stop scrolling right now, you changes everything. Viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but, after seeing that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. Is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but stop scrolling right now.